including flooding, flying debris, and your roof could tear off your house. There are some errors to be had there. All right, work as a team to see if you can find how many errors there are.
It's not a full sentence.
And flying needs to be capitalized to S.
No, that's not right. It's supposed to be connected to the other sentence.
Yeah, but they have a period.
What is one error you guys corrected in this sentence?
In the beginning of the sentence, the T needs to be capitalized.
Excellent. Raise your hand if your team found that. Awesome. Take that hand, pat yourself. That was good. Give your team a point for it. Thank you, Wacky Wombats. Let's start with our vocabulary vault. I saw that some of you have found these words in other places, so let's open our vault.
It was deserted, and it was my 7th period teacher, Miss Westerfield. She goes, "Oh, it looks like your partner deserted you today."
And today, we are going to be preparing to share your responses for Lesson 7, questions 1 through 5. And, of course, you're getting graded on your responses based on the different rubrics. So keep that in mind. You might want to have your lightning round paper out. Number 1 is going to be based on the summary rubric. Number 2 is based on your team talk rubric. Number 3 is your strategy use rubric, talking about clarifying. Number 4, again, is strategy use, whether you're predicting or asking a question. Number 5 is team talk, and number 6 is fluency. You should have brought something to be sharing, to be reading out loud. We're going to see how you do with that fluency rubric. Are you reading with expression? Do you have a good pace to your words? So I want you to keep that in mind. You guys are going to have some time to share, and then we're going to be doing our lightning round for points.
The question I had was, will Kit's father get a job from his friend? The answer to that question was no. Kit's father did not get a job from his friend. But he kept trying and trying to get the job. But the Great Depression was too hard that they couldn't get the job.
Number 5. Would you recommend this selection to others to read? State your opinion and support it with reasons. Yes, because it's a great action and thriller book.
I would recommend this because it's a great book. It has a little suspense in it, and you can ask yourself questions that you can't answer.
I said, yes, this is a good book, at least halfway through, because it has action and some suspense, and I think you'll like it.
Yes, I would recommend this book to others, because if you want to learn more about the past, you should read this book, because it gives a lot of information about the past and how they overcame the past. This book is very interesting, so I would really recommend this book to all my classmates.
Okay. Courtney, why did you choose this reading?
I chose this reading because I'm a really big fan of R.L. Stine's writing.
Okay, and what was your purpose for reading?
Because when I read Twilight, I was kind of now into vampires, so since it had like things on the cover, I wanted to kind of vampire book.
Do you see how when you guys are prepping each other, it's more than just having the answer. You got to make sure you're looking at the rubric and you're hitting all those things. So give your team a 90 under Team Talk for Lesson 7. Ahmad, what word or phrase or sentence did you have a hard time with, and how did you figure it out?
Steve yelled with a cold smile, and I reread it. I think it means a smile to make someone mad.
That was excellent. Give your team 2 points for that. Wacky Wombats. 15. 9. These are excellent. Tomorrow is our day to celebrate our successes. Team Swag. Oh my goodness, we're off the chart. And we're going to add 9 more. Lacrosse Penguins. 14. These guys are way off the chart here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You said 14? And I need to add 3 more. 2, 3. 9 more. All right, AKAK Legendary.
13.
Oh, I do more adding. 4, 9. Would you say it was 13? Plus 4 more. Now, keep in mind, especially my wacky wombats, even though your points aren't as high as everybody else, doesn't mean you can't still be a super team, because your test scores also factor into this. So if you met your goal, even if you just improved by 1 point, it's going to push you up into that super category. So don't give up yet. This is part of it, but not all of it. So we're doing great. Really, really proud of you. I'm going to raise the roof. Woohoo! Nice job.